Ini sebagai tanda kita cinta daripada orang tua kita. Oke, I'm here for the sake of my dream. I'm here for the sake of my life in the future. I believe in myself. That I will always be the best. I believe I can speak English. Start from now. Start from today. Start for my liberty.